a ranch fried chicken sandwich. So, Jeanette, I'm giving you 2 essential tasks.
Okay.
Bake our bacon.
Got it.
To crisp.
Got it.
I put on a couple extra pieces for us.
Thank you.
And then perfectly lightly toast, which is very delicate procedure, our buttery brioche buns.
On it.
Online, you can get my quick refrigerator pickle recipe, or you can just go to the grocery store and buy your favorite bottle of pickles. It's basically just some sugar and salt, some mustard seed, coriander seed, black pepper, lots of fresh dill, fresh bay, cracked garlic. In a jar, bang, throw it in the fridge. It'll last you a couple of weeks. For the ranch dressing that we're going to put on the sandwich and marinate the chicken in, we're going to start with 1.5 cups or so of sour cream or Greek yogurt. I've already got that in the bowl. To that, we're going to add about 2 teaspoons each of Frank's Red Hot or cayenne pepper sauce, a little superfine sugar, or you can use a little light agave if you prefer, and about the same amount, or 2/3 of a palmful each, of granulated onion and granulated garlic, salt and pepper, about 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1, 2, 3, 4, couple of fat splashes of white vinegar, and then a good tablespoon each of dried parsley, chives, and dill, a ranch classic combo. And then we're going to whisk this up, and we're going to take a plastic food storage bag, drop in your chicken, salt and pepper, and I halved the breast horizontally, so each chicken breast will yield 2 chicken cutlets. Drop it into your plastic food storage bag, pour in half the dressing, let this marinate, put the rest into a squeeze bottle for when you're building your sandwiches. For the breadcrumb mixture, you're going to take fine breadcrumbs and panko or homemade breadcrumbs and combine them so you get extra crunchy chicken coating. And we're going to season that with 1 tablespoon each for a couple of cups of the breadcrumb mixture, smoked sweet paprika, and granulated onion and garlic. Salt and pepper, of course, goes into the breadcrumb mixture as well. You want to season every layer of flavor. We're going to shallow fry this in a large cast iron skillet over medium to medium-high heat right in the middle there. And you do it in small batches so you don't crowd the pan. Keep it warm in a hot oven on a wire rack. Here's what the guys look like when they come out. You put them on a rimmed baking sheet. I've got the oven getting hot. And we're going to melt on some cheese. I have good old American cheese since it is 4th of July weekend. Pepper jack, also delicious on this. I'm going to shred up a little Napa. And I've got a nice-looking tomato, a hot tomato, and a white or red onion. And we're just going to thinly slice all these guys. Okay, Jeanette is back, which is why we have perfectly toasted buns and beautifully crisp bacon. So we put our cheesy chicken on the buns. No, Jeanette.
Oh, whoops.
You're going way ahead. Every bite has to be the same. That's why we cut them in half. Everybody gets 2 slices of bacon, but instead of the crisscross, you go across the top of the chicken. So every bite of the chicken has bacon on it.
I'm with you. I like that. So it doesn't slide out and then you don't have any baconless bites.
Exactly. No baconless bites, you see?
Got it.
No baconless bites in this kitchen.
Good show.
Okay. So we have chicken, cheese, bacon, tomatoes. Okay. And then you go around behind me with the our lettuce choice today was Napa. Crispy Napa. Okay. And then on top of the Napa, our ranch. Don't go too high with the Napa, or I can't put the ranch.
There you go.
Okay. And then we pop our lids on, and you can start doing your festive little blue and red flags that you're so excited about.